Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I thought I'd do something a little different today. We're going to use this butter knife and carve a bird out of a grape. Okay, nice large grape there, not too big. Here we go. First you want to make a small base like this, so it sits flat. And then you want to cut straight down like this. Get the bird's wing, just like that. Okay, it's the first wing right there. Next wing, same thing. Other side. Cut straight down. Okay, got two wings right there. Cool. And then we're going to cut the tail straight down like this. Okay, bird's tail is right there. Okay, you can see it maybe. And the piece we cut off here, we're going to make the head out of it. And the eye will actually be the top of the grape. Yep, another first for you there. Okay, try to make this look as much like a bird as I can here. So that's about it right there. And then I'm going to attempt to put this in right here. Ah, there you have it. A small little bird. A grape bird. Okay. Bird now has a beak.